It's Cab Over Gary back. Back out here at my truck, but I ended up with a new project. So I was wanting a little tractor, and I've always liked these little 8Ns, and this one popped up, so I thought I'd give it a go. I got it pretty cheap. Let me flip you around. So there's the hood to it, and this wheel seal is leaking real bad, and I mean it's pretty poor condition, but parts are really easy to get for them, and thought it'd be a good project. So the big thing now is that I'm going to review one of these. These are the Sandblast units that hook to your pressure washer, and I'm just using an electric one out here, and I'm going to see what this little thing does. Set you up in a tripod so you guys could see, and we'll go from there. I have to say, I gotta get some safety glasses on, for sure. I have to say that it did, so far it's doing a pretty good job. You can see that bottom of that engine block there, it cleaned up pretty good so far. So, I mean, it looked like that to that, and that was pretty fast. So this isn't gonna be as bad as I thought, I don't think. So, I'll set you guys up and time-lapse this. Okay, I got my funky safety glasses on. Goggles. Let's go to town. Well, it's messy and it's going to take a while, so I'm going to just stop the video and I'll bring you back here and there. Alright guys, so that pressure wash sandblast thing, would I recommend it? Heck no. I mean, when it works it does an okay job, but I was out here 10 hours yesterday and this is what I got done. Well, this is what I got done, and it immediately rusted, cast iron. So I'm gonna have to wire wheel it anyways. But yeah, 10 hours, and I didn't get the whole tractor done. I mean, I could have wire wheeled the whole thing in that time. I wanted it because I thought I could get into small places, but man, what a waste of time and money. Should have never done that. So, and it makes a huge mess. I mean, I put, let's see, 450 pounds of sand through it. But most of it was fighting a dang clog. So by the time I got it unclogged, it was wasted 10 pounds of sand. So for about every 5 minutes that it worked, I probably spent 45 minutes trying to get it to work. And yeah, I would not recommend them. I don't know, maybe I'm doing something wrong, but it seemed like as soon as it would start working, maybe sifting sand would help, because as soon as I got it working decent, it seemed like a pebble would get into the end of it and clog it up, or it took so long to get it to go that it would work for like 2 minutes and then it would just stop working. It was just a pain in the butt. So I'm gonna spend today wire wheeling the rest of it. So I'll be back. Well guys, I got the tractor in my garage and started wire wheeling it, and the wire wheeling definitely works a lot better. Plans for the tractor, I decided that since I tried with the Sandblaster, I'm worried that sand's in everything and stuff seems to get everywhere. So plans is I'm going to completely disassemble this thing now, because I want this tractor when it's done just to be something that I could jump on and use anytime I need. So I'm going to rebuild the motor, put a new clutch in it, clean out the transmission really good. Rebuild the hydraulics, rebuild the lift thing, and rebuild the front pivots, rebuild the front bearings, new wheel seals, new brakes, and new rubber, and new paint, and all new electrical. Tractor should be like new when it's done, and hopefully I do it once in my life, and it's all good to go. That's kind of my hopes. So it's just kind of a utility tractor. I got a brush hog for it. I got some brush hogs that I need to do. I also want to get a blade and stuff. Tractor's kind of limited on power, but it's good for doing some little chores and stuff, and they look cool too. That's really what attracted me to these. I've always wanted one. So I'm gonna end this video here, and there might be a series on this tractor as I rebuild it. See how you guys respond to this video. Overall, I think the tractor's in good shape. I need to find new lift arm. Both of them were broken, which I'm starting to see is somewhat common, but probably doesn't say that I had a good life. But yeah, I'm excited about it. Got to clean up the garage a little bit so I could get it in here a little better. But you'll see how I take something from junk, make it nice in this. Please don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps my channel grow, which will help me get some money together to get these projects done. This project, I'm planning on working on it until it's done, so this is going to be fairly fast. The kid also wants to help rebuild it, so it'll be a good father-son time on this. So don't forget to like and comment. Catch you on the next one.